Hallelujah. My name is Ebu David. I'm a gospel artist. I'm from Enugu State here, and I'm also from Aban, Nkanu, Aboye Nkanu. So, but let me say this: I'm in love with gospel music. Hallelujah.
Wasted years, wasted years. Everything that I've seen here, I've come to pass.
Yeah, I'm in love with it because my destiny started from childhood. Then there was a time that I was small. I normally sing gospel. Gospel give me joy. As in, all about me is gospel.
Wasted years, wasted years. Everything that I've seen here, I've come to pass.
So that is all about me. Yeah. I do reggae. Frankly speaking, I love reggae. I love reggae. And I like calypso, all these gospel songs that you know, both what we call Western, Igbo songs, like the Chiriduma. I love singing it. Yes.
Orisa keremadu wichara wekwaramuso. Wasted years, wasted years, my wasted years.
Wow, no, but I've listed one. Yeah, I've listed one or two or three. The first one was called the Wasted Years.
Everything that I've seen there, I've come to pass. Wasted years, oh no, no, wasted years. Everything that I've seen there, I've come to pass. Wasted years, oh wasted years, oh
wasted years, wasted years. Everything that I've seen there, I've come to pass. Wasted years, wasted years. Everything that I've seen there, I've come to pass. Orisa keremadu wichara wekwaramuso. Wasted years, wasted years. I'm back to my wasted years.
Everything that I've seen,
everything that I've seen there, I've come to pass.
Wasted years,
wasted years,
wasted years. Everything that I've seen there, I've come to pass. Wasted years.
Alright, my another song started from Okaka. Yeah, I was coming back from the day I released this Wasted Years, and the Lord put the music into my heart, and I began to sing it. The song starts like this: Okaka narekele, Okaka riwo tutu, Papa. Okaka narekele, Chikuna meria yemu, Akamu dinenu narekele. Okaka narekele, Okaka riwo tutu, Papa. Okaka narekele, Chikuna meria yemu, Akamu dinenu narekele. The music lives in me. That is music. If I'm just going and music just gets jump into my mind. Then if my phone is around with me, I'll just enter record and begin to record the song. Before you know it, brethren, it becomes music. Yes. Yeah, I pray at events by God's grace. I played at wake keep and burial ceremony. Yeah, I pray at wedding and traditional marriage, and also child education, sir. Brethren, to say the truth, why I love praying gospel is this, because while I'm singing gospel, I'll be feeling I'm connected in heaven. That is me. Why I pray gospel. If I'm singing, if a sick person or a deaf person that while I'm singing gospel, I'm in spirit. Gospel gave me all I need. My life is gospel, so that's why I love singing gospel. In a well, brethren, as I said earlier, there was this crusade that I played. Let me just call it. That was in rain season. So we have already set instruments. So I'm about to enter stage to sing as a guest artist. Then the wind that changed. And before you know it, rain began to fall. Then my players began to complain, But David, should we pack our instrument? I said no. No one is packing. And I told all the people that came to the crusade ground, just watch and see what God of Abu David can do. Then when I handled the microphone, I came out to that weather. I'll now get down to my knees and begin to sing. Yeah, as I sing the song, heaven hears my voice. Before 5 minutes, brethren, everywhere, anything like rain stopped. My wasted years, oh wasted years. Oh, if you want to serve God, you serve God. If you want to worship idol, you worship idol. You can't serve two masters at the same time. So why am I saying this? If you want to sing gospel, sing gospel. If you want to sing high life, sing high life. Don't serve two masters at the same time. So I'm advising my loved ones, just chase your dream. Understand? Don't let people deceive you. Don't serve two masters at the same time. If you want to serve God, serve Him with all your heart. If you want to worship idol, worship Him with all your heart. What matters is faith. So I play at any event that you think of. I pray at the event. Thank you, viewers all over the world, all my fans, both in Nigeria and outside the country. I love you all. So for any events that you want to call me, my number is 090 56 93 08 14. Once again, 090 56 93 08 14. Thank you all. I love you. Ikuku negendu, iboromi ikuku negendu. Ikuku negemundu, iboromi ikuku negendu. Iboromo chimo, ikuku negendu papa. Iboromo papa mo. Ikuku negendu. Yeah.
Ebudi on the microphone. Hallelujah. Wasted years, wasted years. Everything that I've seen here, I've come to pass. Wasted years, wasted years. Everything that I've seen onye na-echegbu onwe m si na my